So if you haven't been to Sam's Club in a little bit for 2019, it looks like they are now getting their new Maisto models in. And they actually have quite the selection this year. I mean, last year they seem to have repeated quite a few from the previous year, but this year I think they kind of went all out. I mean, there's a few duplicates, but for the most part, it's a lot of new stuff. And this is one of the new exclusives for Sam's Club, and I believe Walmart, possibly. Exclusive style. Which makes sense because blue, Sam's Club, Walmart, it works. Now they did something different on these boxes. I'm not sure if other models have done this, but they've got this little bit of a corner now, which makes closing the box a little bit more difficult. Because I opened one up in the store just to verify what year it was, or what model it was. Because I was trying to get a car for someone, and it was a Chevelle. I'm not very familiar with the old Chevelles, and I just want to make sure I had the right headlights, and it did not, unfortunately, so I didn't pick it up. So it looks like the base is the same as usual. Anyways, while taking the car off the base, I noticed something that was kind of fun. They've been using the same base since 1998. It's pretty cool. 21 years they've been using this guy. So even when I was a teenager, buying up Maisto, they were using the same base. So, got the car loose. It's actually a really sharp blue. I like it. Let's see if we can get these off. Interesting, they double taped it this time instead of the single tape. And they've got a sticker on the hood. That peels off actually really easy. It was right here. Put that on the base. Then we got this little wrap. Now if you're planning on keeping your car in the base for a long time, make sure to take off your rubber band so you don't mess up your paint. This car's slick. Well, not all of it. Some parts were oily from, I guess, in the manufacturing process. Look at that blue. It's like someone had a wrap done on it. The rotors do not turn. Is it similar? Yeah, okay. I thought it was a different design between the front and the back, but front and back use the same rotor with that weird etching. BD96TA. Wonder if that's a reference to something. It's quite the detailed engine bay. I like it. So I actually kind of see through the bottom a little bit. And I'm impressed. They actually put some detail down here. Usually a lot of companies will just kind of, have it plain Jane down here, but I mean, at least they did a little bit of gold highlighting. Take a quick look at the interior. I like how the gauges actually stick up, so looking at it, that actually looks like a tampo hit. That's not a decal. Nice seat belts in there. A little bit of carbon fiber accent happening. Nice. And take a look at the engine bay, and I don't think that the real one actually opens up far. Something that you could easily go in there and really sharpen it up if you wanted to. I mean, you've got most of the parts in there. So I mean, just take it apart and paint it up. You'd have like a really detailed engine. And I like that these are actually open. Another one that I hate. Some manufacturers make it to where these are sealed off. Alright, so I took the sticker off. What do we get to see inside? Not much. I'm guessing it's based on the real car. Just big enough to put like one suitcase in there. Alright, so let me know, guys, if you've been finding them, and I believe that they're only hitting Sam's Clubs and certain Walmarts. Although I've never been able to find one at Walmart, I know others have, so maybe you have a lot better luck than I do. And this should be the exclusive color for 2019, although they might recycle some of the colors. I think they did on one of the Mustangs that this year actually came out a couple years ago. So they recycle sometimes, but hey, it gives a chance for those that missed out in previous years to still pick them up. So if you've been finding them, let me know, and let me know which ones you've been getting. And as always, guys, happy hunting.